If you press the letter M, a small golden panel appears on screen. It shows the exact angle the sphere has turned on each axis, in degrees, and it also shows something called a rotation matrix. A matrix is simply a grid of numbers arranged in rows and columns. In our case, this 3 by 3 grid of numbers is the computer's secret recipe for turning the sphere by exactly the right amount. Watching these numbers change as you rotate the sphere is a wonderful way to actually see mathematics working in real time. Finally, we added simple keyboard controls. Press the space bar to pause the automatic spinning and press it again to continue. Press the letter R to restart the whole 4-stage animation from the very beginning. Press the up arrow to make the automatic spin faster and the down arrow to make it slower. So, to summarize, we added mouse dragging and zooming for hands-on control, a wireframe view to reveal the hidden mesh, NumPy to make the maths lightning fast, a live matrix readout to see the numbers behind the motion, and keyboard shortcuts to pause, restart, and change speed. These are exactly the kinds of upgrades real programmers make. First you build something that works, and then you make it faster, clearer, and easier for people to explore. Keep experimenting, keep upgrading, and keep asking how things work.